Hi, it's Mrs. Moss here. We're going to start our Rocks and Minerals unit by looking at minerals and discovering what they are and how we can identify them. There are many uses of minerals, and we use them every day without even realizing them. For example, the pencil that you have has about 14 different minerals in it. The sheetrock that's on your walls is made of gypsum mineral. Your makeup that you use is made of minerals. The toothpaste that you use to brush your teeth every morning and every night, also made of minerals. Countertops, we have casts if you break your arm or leg or a broken bone. Even the drill bits that people use to drill through hard surfaces, all made of minerals or consist of minerals. So what are minerals? Minerals are defined as naturally occurring, meaning they are not man-made. Inorganic, meaning they were never alive. They have a crystalline solid, which we will talk a little bit more about the way that minerals are formed and their internal arrangement of atoms. That definitely classifies and help us define a rock to be a mineral. It has a definite chemical composition. For example, quartz is made of silicon and oxygen. Our crust, the Earth's lithosphere, is made up of rocks. And as you may or may not know, rocks are composed of minerals. You guessed it. For example, granite, as we saw in our kitchen countertops, or maybe even in the bathroom or other places, it is composed of feldspar, quartz, and biotite, all minerals. Minerals are composed of elements, and this picture has the periodic table of elements. You may or may not have seen it before. Well, there are 88 naturally occurring elements. However, of those, only 8 elements are found in our Earth's crust. Please take out your Earth Science reference table. We're going to look at the first page. Hit the pause button if you need a moment to go and get it. Okay, so when we look at the first page, you'll see the average chemical composition of Earth's crust, hydrosphere, and troposphere chart. And what you'll notice is the elements listed along the side over here. The first 8 are the elements that we find in our Earth's crust. And you can see also by looking at the chart, the percent by mass and the percent by volume, oxygen is the most abundant element on Earth, and so is silicon. This pie chart just reiterates what I said. The most abundant elements in the crust are oxygen at 46%. Now I notice this says 47%. You can put 46% down on your notes. And silicon at 28%. Minerals contain these elements, oxygen and silicon, obviously, because we said they're the most abundant found in the earth. So they're going to be the most abundant elements in minerals as well. And we call these silicates. Now silicates, if you look at the diagram on the bottom, silicates have a very definite arrangement of atoms. And this is what I mentioned before when we talked about the crystalline structure. It has oxygen, 4 atoms of oxygen, and it's bound with an element of silicon in the middle. The yellow is the silicon. And this definite shape allows us to see that this is in fact a mineral, and it is a silicate because it has the silicate in it. We know it's a mineral. Excuse me. Some examples of minerals with silicates are quartz, garnet, mica, and feldspar. And there are many more. We're going to end the video right here, and in our next video you're going to learn more about how we identify minerals one from the other. Okay, so you can stop the video, make sure you have all the notes down. You're free to go back and rewind and get anything that you may have missed. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thank you.